pretty. Hi. Hi. Come on, BJ. Come on, Spot. Ooh, Spot's climbing. Can you see that? Spot is climbing up. Good boy. You're learning how to climb. That's good. You're going to need that when some bobcat is chasing you. Well, bobcat can go up the tree too. Good morning, everyone. Cat lady here on my 9+ acre property in Tennessee, and I just wanted to give you an update on how the kitties are doing. I am hosting, fostering, whatever you call it, 4 kittens of the same litter. Okay, you have to see them climbing this tree. Have you ever seen kitties climb a tree with Christmas lights? Probably not. Hold on. Climb the tree. BJ. Here comes Patch. They are discovering this area of the front yard. All of this yard here has poison ivy. It's all, in fact, it's probably just here and there all mixed in. There's plantain, there's fescue, there's just weeds. It looks like wild strawberry. And I've got Christmas lights strung around my 4 big maple trees in the front, and the kitties have discovered this one. Now I am just thinking that that bird feeder up there is not going to be used that often if I have cats. Oh dear. There's so much to consider when you take on an animal. I'm older. These cats are brand new. They could live outside. They could live for 20 years outside. It's unlikely, but I did meet a cat that was blind and 20 years old that had lived outside in Tennessee, so it is possible. Kitties, look, BJ, come here. Come here. Come here. Psst, psst. Come here. BJ, come smell. Come on. Come here, come here, come here. You want some catnip? Come on. You want some catnip? You want some catnip? Hmm? Which one is that? Let's see. That's BJ. Yep. Hi, Spot. Hi, Spot. Hi. Don't chew on my fingers. Don't chew on my fingers. What are you doing? This one's a mommy's girl. For sure. She was meowing like crazy and I picked her up and she stopped. Okay, go play with your friends. Gotta go wash my hands. BJ, BJ. Hi. Hi, pretty. Tiger. wonder what the cat would think of that.
You play with it.
BJ, what's this? What is that? What is it? If that's a snapping turtle, that could snap you. I just fed them this morning. Like 2 hours ago. Not even. What is it that you want? What is it? You coming up my leg?
This is crazy how they close like that.
I know. Let's see the bottom. It's actually very beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we need to put that out in the forest so it doesn't find its way back. It's going,
Come out, dummy.
No chance, no chance.
What?
We do have predators here. Justin spotted a bobcat just walking along the back, literally about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. That was pretty rare, but I know there's a bobcat up there. Get off the tripod. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what do you feed cats? This is the big thing. I decided when I took Lyndon and her sister, who unfortunately got run over, very, very tragic. It's very upsetting, but anyway, it happened. And I decided when I took Lyndon from a stray mother who had had kittens, and someone took her in, gave her a safe place to have the kittens and nursed them through the nursing period, and then I took 2 of the 4. And I decided with Lyndon, because I knew Lyndon would be an indoor cat. I lived in Los Angeles. There's no chance I was going to subject a cat roaming around the neighborhood to my neighbors. It's not fair. My neighbor's cat used to literally sleep on top of my Volvo on the roof in the driveway, and he was old and he didn't want to have to get down off the car to go poop, so he would just step aside from where he was sleeping and poop and then lay back down. It was, you know, you can't write this stuff. So it's nature, I guess. But anyway, now I've got these 4 kittens and I'm feeding them this canned cat food, and oh my gosh, my trash smells so bad. And I started rinsing out the cans before I put them in the trash. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. If you guys have any suggestions for me, I'm all ears. Justin is just arriving. We've got a huge day on the homestead, so let me know if you have any thoughts about the kitties. So far they're doing well. Be careful, there's a car coming. Justin is here. Oh goodness. All right, we'll visit with them some more out back. They're all over the place right now. So I'm glad. I want them to learn how to climb the tree. I want them to learn how to hunt. That's the whole point of me taking them, is that I have some mouse hunters here, moles and voles and mice, and even possibly snakes they could help me with. So I think it's great. But once again, they're brand new and I'm not. So somebody pointed out, who's going to take care of these cats if anything happens to me? So, and that I should only keep 2 of them. So what do you think? Do you think I should keep 2 cats, or all 4, keep the whole litter together? You know, is there strength in numbers in a situation like this? They're not going to be indoor cats. So let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.